Is this your child in their aftercare program? Day after day, your child has become idled and disengaged with a lack of motivation and drive. They become extremely bored, which causes them to be unproductive in cognitive growth. Come on, let's do the math. Your child spends 3 hours a day, 5 days a week, 15 hours, a total of 60 hours a month. Yes, 60 hours a month. Well, parents, brighter days are ahead. No need to worry or feel the guilt of having your child dreading their after-school program. Here's the solution. Lessons on the Lake Music Arts Academy will provide your child with shuttle service from their school to our 3,000 square foot Mooresville, North Carolina location. We can turn those aimless hours after school into productive learning with your choice of daily piano classes. Your child will learn to perform familiar songs with their peers, developing their ensemble skills. Research shows that music lessons is the only activity that activates the entire brain. Maybe your child would like to play the guitar. The guitar is one of those instruments that brings people together. The benefits of playing the guitar are to develop hand coordination, sight reading, and listening skills. Each of these components develop the brain's ability to multitask. In addition to developing guitar skills, we aim to build social interaction and fun learning. Is art something your child would like to develop? We want to increase your child's aesthetic of a variety of art mediums. This will broaden their horizon and emotional intelligence. Our curriculum will explore various arts, art procedures, and drawings, paintings, and many creative craft ideas. Parents, we know by the time you get home late from work, dinner needs to be cooked and homework needs to get done. No worries, we have this covered. After your child's music and arts class, your child will have a snack time. Then 1 hour quiet homework, reading, and study time. We encourage your child to complete their homework, so by the time you pick them up, you can plan family relaxing time together. After study time, we know that your child needs to release the brain's activity to relax and have downtime for social interactions. Your child will participate in brain games, Lego time, and fun social interactions with their peers in developing a nurturing environment. Your child will look forward to Fun Friday. We have partnered with our neighbors Acrofitness, first and third Friday, and Cliffhangers, second and fourth Fridays. We're not only interested in stimulating your child's cognitive growth, but your child's total well-being through fun, fitness, and kinesthetic exercise. Parents, we know it's important to you that this will not be your child's after-school experience. 15 hours per week, 60 hours a month of an unproductive after-school life. Here at Lessons on the Lake After School Music and Arts Program, we recognize that music is one of the only activities that stimulates your child's whole brain. We also understand in today's computer age that children become sedentary. That's why we've combined physical activity that develops the whole child. You can be certain that your child will be in good hands with Mooresville's most experienced educators. We look forward to having your child in our care. They'll enjoy fun learning. Feel free to contact us, Lessons on the Lake After School. Also, like us on Facebook and Instagram.